Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting inside Instagram stories. Select or shoot the media, then add the emoji sticker. Tap and position the emoji where it should sit. This lets you see the underlying area. Once placed, pinch and drag to scale or rotate so the sticker covers the exact spot. Make sure to duplicate the sticker with a 2-finger tap if you need a backup layer. Doing this now saves time later because you'll remove the background while preserving alignment and size for a clean result. Now you'll remove the emoji background. Zoom in on the sticker and switch to the drawing tool. Choose the eraser or a small brush and carefully trace the sticker edges to reveal the photo beneath. If Instagram shows a sticker edit or cutout option, use that to isolate the emoji. Otherwise, erase around the sticker to simulate transparency. Take your time on curves and hairlines because precision prevents halo artifacts. Once done, step back and check at normal zoom to confirm the blend looks natural. Finish by matching tones so the emoji integrates. Apply filters or tweak brightness and contrast to both sticker and background for consistency. Save a draft or export to your camera roll before posting so you can revert if needed. If you notice rough edges or leftover background, redo the removal using a smaller brush and work in short strokes. Alternatively, use the duplicated sticker as a mask to cover mistakes. One key troubleshooting tip: if the app lags, close and reopen stories to avoid corrupted edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.